The markets are actually quite dynamic currently. There's a bit of a shift away from the UK, more of a shift on continental Europe. Also in the UK, we're seeing a lack of core assets that are coming to the market. When those assets come to the market, there's usually more of an equity play or a high volume of equity play and less of a debt play. Just because there's so much equity in the marketplace, you have so much foreign investment, Chinese money, Eastern Asian money, or U.S. money coming into the markets that leave less of a debt opportunity. So it's really the market has really been transformed. On the other side, the local lenders in the local jurisdictions, probably with the exception of Italy, have been pretty respondent. Spain the market is coming back pretty strong. The Spanish banks are very, very active, but it keeps it's become a bit of sane up to a certain level. When it hits a certain level or a certain asset class, it gets more into an international process where the local banks can't compete. The German banks are still very, very strong. Their cost of funds are very low using the fund brief. You're seeing that where the international investors are kind of cut out. But still the equity markets are very, very strong. So I think the market is a bit more dynamic. It's not a risky market as well, so what we're seeing right now is you're not seeing high LTVs. You're seeing a nice mezz play. Mezz lenders locally and internationally are starting to come back into the market extremely strong, offering the market more alternatives. So I think it's a good time and an interesting time. Let's see how long it's going to last. I think people are kind of pushing Brexit to the side for the moment. Life goes on. Until something actually is transparent about what that actually means, I think that this will probably maintain itself for the time being.